On number 2, we are expanding the binomial, and I want to start with defining all of my information. So my a is my first term, which is 3c, and my b is the second term, which is 2d cubed. Now, since my exponent is 5, I know that my coefficients are going to use Pascal's triangle, row 5. And also because my exponent is 5, I know that my exponents of my terms are going to start with 5 and 0. So row 5 of Pascal's triangle has the numbers 1, 5, 10, 10, 5, and 1. So that's going to be 6 terms. So I have the 6 terms here, and in the first parentheses I want to put a, or 3c, and in the second parentheses I want to put b, which is 2d cubed. Lastly, my exponents of a are going to start with 5 and work their way down to 0, and my exponents of b are going to start with 0 and work their way up to 5. And my final step is going to be to simplify each of these terms. So this will be our final answer, and it takes a long time to set up the pattern and simplify each of the terms, but if you were to distribute the binomial 5 times, so if you were to FOIL 5 times, you would get the same thing, but it would take even longer.